Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve negotiation skills with Alibaba. Easy tutorials. To improve your negotiation skills using Alibaba, begin by understanding the platform's common practices. Familiarize yourself with Alibaba's marketplace and how it operates. Research various suppliers in your niche to identify key players. Make a list of potential suppliers whose products align with your business needs. Evaluate their ratings and reviews to gauge their reliability and reputation. Take note of each supplier's minimum order quantities, pricing, and shipping options. Once you've selected a few suppliers, initiate contact through Alibaba's messaging system. Craft a professional and concise message to introduce yourself and your business. Clearly express your interest in their products and request additional information. Ask about bulk pricing, customization options, and lead times. Pay attention to their response time and willingness to engage, as this speaks to their customer service. Prepare to negotiate by determining your budget and ideal price points in advance. When discussing terms, remain respectful and open to their counteroffers. Use information gathered from multiple suppliers to strengthen your negotiation position. If a supplier offers a price that exceeds your budget, don't hesitate to ask for a better deal. Remember, negotiation is a discussion, not a confrontation, so maintain a positive tone. As discussions progress, keep the lines of communication open for any further questions or clarifications. Stay flexible and be ready to compromise on certain aspects while holding firm on key priorities. Confirm all agreed terms in writing to avoid misunderstandings later. After reaching an agreement, express gratitude for their cooperation and professionalism. Once you complete your order, follow up on the delivery and product quality to ensure satisfaction. Continuously seek feedback and adjust your approach based on your experiences. With practice on Alibaba, your negotiation skills will improve over time and lead to better deals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.